Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a Google Sheet into a set of multimedia flashcards. Let's go ahead and take a look at how we can do this. We're going to use the flashcard template from flippity.net. Just go here to the instructions where you can get a copy of the template, and you'll save that copy in your Google account. And once you have made the copy, you might want to rename it, and we'll call it something like Fun Practice Flashcards. You can call it whatever you like. You'll notice here that the cards will be read aloud. There is the option there to have the cards read aloud, and you can pick the language you want the cards read aloud in, or you can choose to not have them read aloud at all and just select none there. Now I'm going to go ahead and edit this spreadsheet and put in my own information. So I'm going to take these rows out. I'm just going to right click and I'm going to delete the rows. And let's fill this in. And we'll say I want to put in the capital of Maine. And we can choose a card color. Let's put in blue. If I leave the text color field blank, it'll just be black text. And I'll put in here the capital of the United States. Washington, D.C. And we'll make that card color green. Now, I can also include video clips in here. So let's say the winners of the 2004 World Series. And instead of putting in the answer, I'm going to put in a little video clip. Now the video clip I'm going to use, paste it right there. Now I can also include images in my flashcards, and here's how you can do that. I found this image on Pixabay. It's in the public domain. I'm going to copy the image address. So I just right clicked and selected copy image address, and I'll put that link in here, and I'll put in cat. And I'm going to put in the card color of red. Now, I can do this for as many flashcards as I would like, but to keep this simple, I'm just going to do these 4 flashcards. Now, what's really important is I need to publish my spreadsheet to the web. So go to File, Publish to the Web, click OK. And now I'm going to click on Get the Link here, and that will give me a place where I can view my flashcards. If I want my students to view these flashcards, I can just copy that link and give them the link to this set of flashcards. We can switch them. And we'll see right there, my video will play inside there. And here is my cat. Now I have the audio turned off for this demo. You can see I have it muted so that it's not talking over me while I'm talking, but I could turn that on and it would then read that aloud for me. Now, what's neat about Flippity is not only do I have a set of flashcards that I can practice, I can also look at things in a list format. I can get a matching activity, and I can also have this kind of fill in the blank practice activity that I can play as well. And what's neat about this, if I just put in Washington, it's going to tell me, nope, I should have put in Washington, D.C. And in this case here, for the winners of the 2004 World Series, it's going to tell me to watch the video. And here, I'm going to put in cat. And again, case sensitive, so make sure you capitalize if necessary. So that's how you can turn a spreadsheet into a set of multimedia flashcards. Just go to flippity.net and get the template for flashcards. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetechforteachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.